Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to talk about IFSCA Legal Phase 2 exam. The exam is on 13th of October and you have less than 3 weeks to the exam now. I am going to share a target score with you in this video. You should at least target that much amount of marks in paper 1 and paper 2 to clear the exam. Since IFSCA legal exam is being conducted for the first time, we do not have any past year analysis based on which we can target the score. So we'll be using SEBI legal previous year cutoffs to understand what could be the range of cutoff for IFSCA phase 2. Before that, I would like to tell you about the biggest discount of the year at iExamB. The Big B days are back from 24th to 27th of September and up to 70% is off on all online courses. So if you are interested in any of our course, if you want our guidance in the preparation of any of the exam, you can check out our courses. Enroll with us between 24th to 27th September to avail the maximum discounts of the year. Now coming to analysis of SEBI legal exam. We'll take learnings from SEBI legal cutoffs and try to understand how much score we should target for IFSCA legal. 2020, 2022, 2023. I am taking 3 years. 2024 result is not yet out. In 2020, there were 34 vacancies. Phase 1 cutoff 80 है. IFSC legal में भी phase 1 की cutoff 80 ही है. Let's talk about phase 2 cutoff. For 34 vacancies, the cutoff was 68.33. For 16 vacancies, the cutoff was 67.67. When there were 23 vacancies, the cutoff was 65.5. The cutoff went low over here because descriptive paper was introduced. So if we see in IFSC, there are 2 vacancies. So for those 2 vacancies, 6 candidates will go for interview. The cutoff will be there for these 6 candidates. And here you can see the cutoff can be high. The cutoff can be somewhere 68 to 72. The cutoff can be in this range. If the exam is a little bit tough, the cutoff may go 1 or 2 points lower, but not very less. So you'll have to target quite good marks in order to clear the phase 2 cutoff. Somewhere in the range of 68 to 70 is a minimum. The cutoff may even go up to 72. So accordingly, be prepared for your IFSCA phase 2. At iExamB, we offer IFSCA Phase 2 online course in which you will find 10 mock tests for paper 2, 5 mock tests for paper 1 for which you will get detailed feedback. And in these Big B days from 24th to 27th of September on IFSC Legal Phase 2 online course, you are getting flat 55% off. Now the course is only at Rs 1700. So check out the course offerings. This is how our course looks like. I have already shared a 3-week study plan with you. You can download that study plan from the description below. This mentions all the topics that you should be covering every week so that you are able to cover up the syllabus and revise well enough time. So I hope you are following this study plan. If not, you can download this from the description. For every topic you will see we have course videos present. For some course videos are not there, which are then getting covered in the classes. For all the topics, notes and chapter tests are present for all. Then section tests and MCQ booklets are present for a lot of topics. Live class recordings are present if in case you have missed any of the classes. You can download the study plan. You can continue with your preparation. Make the best use of Big B days. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Wish you all the best for your preparation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.